Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Kileigh Nichelle, and today we have another wig unboxing from an Amazon company. So you know what, let's just jump right into this thing. So I'm just gonna open the box up. So this is what the unit looks like inside of the box. Excuse my nail, I literally just broke it. We got a 14-inch wig, and it also comes with a wig cap. Did I say this was an Amazon hair company? I don't know, but by the title you should know. So let's just bag her. It looks super silky. Okay, this is what she looks like straight out the bag. Let's take the netting off. And guess what, y'all? This is a Bangyang. We got a Bangyang. A Bangyang. Inside construction. That's very intriguing to me. I have never seen anything like this. So this is what the inside looks like. It has combs, and then the front is just wefts, which is really interesting. Okay, now I'm very intrigued on how I'm going to put this on my head. It's a natural brown. You can see like some of the red tinges in the light. Hair is super silky. So like, let's put her on and I really want to style this a certain way, and now seeing it, I don't know how I'm going to do that. Alright, let's just put it on real quick. We got my hair in straight backs as always. I got this large ingrown hair on my forehead, and I'm trying not to pop it, so disregard. We're gonna put my stocking on. Fingers crossed this comes out how I wanted to. So let's throw this on. It's the first time I've ever had a bang unit. Small hip friendly for sure.
No.
I got it on crooked. That's hold on. Alright, we're gonna have a lot of styling to do. Okay. This is what it looks like. I look crazy. Alright, let me go figure this out real quick. I'll be back. Before we do that, I just want to let you guys know that the hair is very, very soft, but the look is like really throwing me off. So once I get it styled, then we can chit chat about other things. This is the look I ended up achieving. I'm going for this like 90s flip look, of course, with the Bangyang. I'm pretty happy with it turned out. This is the first time like I ever did a look like this. I went a little hard on the freeze spray, so my hair is a little crunchy right now, but what I'm gonna do is fly right back over there. Oh, there we go. Now if I can get that side like this, it'd be perfect. But basically, I put the sides up and I just left some hair on the sides to like kind of cover it. I'm not really tripping because I'm just doing this for a photo shoot for the new Kai set, the Kai by Can set. And our new Kyra frames. Like, this is the look I'm going for. This is the look. This is the look. Ooh, ooh. This is the look. Okay. But yes, let me clean these. This was a look I was trying to achieve, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Yeah, girl, get into it. Ooh, girl, you need to be lit. Let's give you a little. You know that gif where Neely be like, the bob was like,
Don't like her, they're just tight. You're supposed to wear them straight. If she has her...
She made her bob now. She made herself a bob. No, she folded it up.
She had it completely folded under.
my ends is like, But yeah, I really love this hair. It was super duper duper soft when I first got it. I give this hair a good 8 out of 10. I only give it an 8 because of the construction. Like, girl, it's clearly a wig, but it's fine. Because like I said, just a photo shoot look. But I'm very happy with the outcome. If you want a link to this unit, it's in the description. A tutorial. I mean, I'll show you guys, like, well, you probably seen like me trying to get it to this point, but honestly, this is the second day. This is day 2 of me trying to complete this look. It took me some time because it's new to me, but I think it's a look, it's a vibe. So if you want this wig, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See y'all in my next video.